Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's Nita here from Next with Nita, and I am here to do a beauty video, which, my goodness, it has been a very long time, but you know, pregnancy has been quite the journey, and I feel like I've been doing lots of like home stuff, nesting, pregnancy content, but the Sephora sale is going on right now, and I wanted to share and kind of demonstrate a few products that I feel like are must-haves from the sale. A lot of these you've probably already seen on my channel. Some of them are new, but this just kind of goes to show how much I use these products, and if you haven't tried them yet, now's the time to grab them or stock up on them or give them as gifts, because these are great products. I'll try to keep this video relatively short and share like key products. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right to it. First and foremost is foundation. So I will leave the link to my blog post down below where I have a list of foundations, what's good for what skin type, but personally for me, what I feel like works for dry skin, oily skin, normal combo, and everyone is the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I've been sharing this for years. It is still my go-to. You can kind of see from the bottle I'm almost out. So I'm gonna grab some more of this, but it's a beautiful hydrating foundation, but if you do have oily skin, it's not going to accentuate your oils or make it worse. It's just gonna make your skin very nice and glowy. It's a beautiful foundation, you guys. So let me go ahead and show you what it looks like on my skin. So I'm just going to apply some here, and I'll just do one side so you can really compare the difference. So you can kind of see this is basically my year-round color, but the coverage and the color is just so beautiful. Glides right on. So I have the foundation on this side of my face, and I love it, you guys. Great medium coverage, but buildable. I just love that you can still see skin, but it still blurs out any imperfections. This side obviously has nothing on it, so I'll go ahead and apply it. And by the way, I do love these Artiste brushes. They are 20% off if you are a Rouge member at Sephora. However, I do have a code for 30% off their site, which is a way better deal. So if you're looking to grab these Artiste brushes, then I will link it down below, and my code is Nita30. The second product that I think is such a game changer, and you guys sold this out back in April during the Sephora sale, so I hope it's still available, but it is the Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Corrector. I'm in shade light medium, and I put this on before I apply my concealer, and you'll see what a difference this makes if you have dark circles, or if you're using like more of a drying full coverage concealer. This is great to go underneath so that your eyes are still hydrated. What a difference, you guys. I have crazy dark circles. I'm sure it's gonna get worse once baby arrives, but the difference this makes in your eyes and your dark circles is crazy. I love it for any concealer. I just always put this on underneath. It's hydrating, it's brightening, it really wakes you up. Also, real quick, if you're looking for a good stick foundation, this one from Hourglass is fantastic. Also good for all skin types, oily skin or dry skin, normal combination. Plus it's easy on the go, throw in your bag, and you can do your makeup in the car, Uber, whatever it is. And it's a really nice buildable foundation as well. I know a lot of you guys wanted an alternative to Shape Tape, because I know some of you find it a little drying. Shape Tape is great. I would recommend using the Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Corrector under the Shape Tape, because that'll really help with that. It's just such a nice full coverage concealer. But if you're looking for an alternative, this Nars one is fantastic. I'm in shade Custard, and it is extremely hydrating, really good for those that have more mature skin or fine lines. And then I'm gonna lock in my concealer with this Charlotte Tilbury powder. I like to use this or the Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder. Both of them are fantastic powders that do not dry you out. This is an oldie but a goodie from Hourglass. This is their bronzer. I'll leave the shade that I use down below. If you are looking for a good, I wouldn't say good, I mean exceptional eyeshadow palette, then this one that I've been sharing for like 5 years, I feel like it's just been ever since I got into beauty. It's the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. Ignore this. One of them cracked open and broke. But this palette has been a go-to of mine. Every time I travel or go anywhere, I take this one because it just has so many really nice, versatile shades. You can do a natural look. You can kind of have fun in this area right here. There's so much you can do with this palette, and the pigmentation is so good. Real quick, I'm going to just do my go-to eyeshadow look. Another must-have from the sale. So you want to get a lash primer. I feel like lash primers are very underrated. A lot of people don't understand like why we need one. Does it really make a difference? But I promise you it does. There's two that I recommend. This one from Lancome, and the other one is a Marc Jacobs one. I don't know if they're similar in price point. They both work beautifully. If I had to pick one, I would kind of just do the Lancome. I think it's a little more affordable. And what I like to do is just coat my lashes, and it'll be white. After about 30 seconds, it's gonna get a little tacky, and then you're gonna go with mascara. So this is the mascara I've been using for a couple months now. It's brand new from Charlotte Tilbury. It's the Pillowtalk Push Up Lashes. And you guys always ask every time I wear it, like, which mascara are you using? And it's this one, and it's really, really good. I like to use it both on my top lashes and my lower ones, which is actually pretty rare because I usually like to use different ones, but this one's very versatile, works for both, gives you so much more volume, and lifts and curls your lashes all at the same time. It's fabulous. So if you're looking for a good mascara, this one is new and it is good. So I'm now going to take the mascara and basically wiggle upwards. Now real quick for blush, there's two that I love. So this one's from Nars. It is their liquid blush. This is shade Torrid. It's definitely more of like a spring summer shade, but it's still very, very corally and beautiful. And then the other one that I love is the Pillowtalk. So I actually just dropped and broke one of these palettes, but I have a more deeper tone. This shade is Intense. There are different shades of this Cheek to Chic palette from Charlotte Tilbury, and there's so many beautiful ones. I'll link my favorites down below, but basically what you're gonna wanna do is swirl and then pop. This is the liquid highlighter that I shared last Sephora sale. It's just really pretty. You can really see that glow. So I just put it right above where my blush is, and I'll use my ring finger and blend that out. And then of course I gotta end it with two lippies that I love. The Charlotte Tilbury Pillowtalk. Everyone talks about it. Looks good on everyone. It's a beautiful universal nude, so I'll go ahead and use this for today. But another one that I love, you guys, and it was one of my best sellers before, and you guys love it. It's the Patrick Ta shade She's Unapologetic. I'll do Charlotte Tilbury because a lot of you guys want to see what it looks like on my skin tone, so let me go ahead and do that. And that is it. I hope you enjoyed this mini tutorial slash what you should get from the Sephora sale slash my go-to favorites. I really wanted to show you guys what these products looked on my skin so that I could be a good resource for you when you're shopping the Sephora sale. Again, everything will be linked down below. And if you have any questions for me, let me know. But if you did enjoy this video, please do like, subscribe, do all the things, and we will chat soon. Bye.